Hey, Paul with WINTERIZE here. Today we're going to go over winterizing your water system. Okay, so the first process to blowing out the system, you're actually going to drain the water tank. So you'll open up the valve underneath the tank and it will gravity drain the water out of the tank. Depending on how much water is in your tank, it could take 30 minutes if the tank's full. Next thing you want to do is you want to close the valve, and before you try to either pump the system out or blow out the system, you got to make sure that only one valve is open at a time. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to run the water pump dry. So just open up a faucet, turn on the water pump, and pump the water system until it's spitting air. Once you're done with that, you're going to remove the water filter that WINTERIZE puts in your van. You're going to replace it with the white replacement hose that bypasses the filter. You're going to drain and empty the raw water strainer on the inside of your water pump. That will definitely freeze if that traps water, so you want to get that emptied out. Now you're going to set up and you're going to put a compressor line onto the Schrader valve. You can actually even blow out the system with a bicycle pump. Just remember, keep low pressure so you don't damage any of the fittings. You want to do the hot and cold side of each one of the faucets, or shower fittings or toilet. By doing that, you want to do one part at a time. So you want to do this, let's say the sink faucet, hot water, cold water, the rear of the van, hot water, cold water, shower, toilet. Then you want to repeat that step twice. So you want to go through everything 2 times. So it'll start out being water coming out and then misting, and finally fine mist water. When you're done with that process, leave the valves open from the tank. There's a valve on the AquaHot that you want to leave open during winter storage, so no water gets trapped in your AquaHot hydronic heating system. And then you want to leave any faucets open that you can. That way there's room for water to expand. And then finally, you want to make sure you empty any hoses you have for spray out. Get the water out of those. Any water out of any portable toilets or cassette toilets. Get that dumped out. And then empty your gray water tanks. And you can put some marine antifreeze in your gray water tank if you're concerned, because that's underneath the van or in your cassette of your cassette toilet. So those are the processes of blowing out your water system. Thanks for watching this video today. For other videos like this, check out our YouTube channel.